AI no be your blood brother. You need to start to restrict am. Some of una dey use AI like say na your childhood friend. You go give am company email. You go give am access to live database. You go give am access to payment dashboard. You go even give am access to the real source code and everything. Some at the end go even, or before they will type, please be careful. This is a live database. You never collect woto before. If I say AI never delete your live database before. You give person key to your main vault where you save money, and then they tell and say, bros, abeg, behave yourself. That one no be security. AI is powerful, no doubt. But powerful thing without restriction, that is not innovation. Now problem with the warm up, now you they see so. Today, let's talk about how to use AI properly. Especially the security steps you need to take before that your AI so use your company to do final year project. Anyway, now me and Mos Pikins the tech prophet. Oh yeah, they with me. First, no give AI access to everything, like I said. AI suppose get access to the exact thing wey e need, not more than that. Nothing more. This thing get serious name. They call am principle of least privilege. The name not really serious anyway. What it just mean I say, if AI need to read one file, give am access to that one file and that one file alone. No go dey give am access to the entire drive, the entire Google Drive. Drive wey get family picture since 2014 NYSC. You get picture where they take bury your grandpa. Even still get some of una certificate, some of your receipts, some of your land documents. They play. Man, put this thing for your mind. If now only report AI get power to generate, how come they sometimes they delete your database? Think am. If AI they review code alone, how comes it knows the password to your production database? If AI they only reply message to your customer, why they fit initiate payment? Some developers, I don't see them before, they will give admin privilege to AI because giving it permission all the time is stressful to you. They go soon knock you waiting no good. No worry. Just know, like I don't talk before, laziness is not system design. The more you are using AI every day, you just the day lazy. And that's not the work where they say make it can't do. They say make it can't assist you. You self the work inside. See, create a separate account for AI. Give them limited permission. When the work finish, remove the permission. Or even remove the access entirely. Because AI not supposed to enter your company as intern, then finally come become the CEO. Now only human being with the premier be like that. Number 2, secondly, keep AI away from production. Your production server no be training ground. No let AI jump come up for chatbots, come enter inside your server. Why? Or jump inside your live application. I know say some hosting companies now they give you agent where you go they run things for your server. Well, we listen, we don't judge. No be me won't talk anything about that one. So you need to test your AI generated code first. You need to sandbox them. In fact, use staging environment. Also, you can take it a step further. Use fake customer data. Because if AI feel write code way clean, the variable names go correct, right? The comments will look very professional. Now we take the know on our way they use AI everywhere be that. It's no bad. But we know say you know your English rich like that. And then the explanation goes sweet. But once you run out like this, your database fee just disappear. You know the way campaign promise they disappear. When they campaign, when they go promise you even a net, now so you go take disappear once they enter seat. And I've said it so many times. AI can be confidently wrong. When he fuck up finish, he go tell you, so you mean you don't have a backup database? I'm so sorry. What we can do now? You go cry. And then, I don't see issue before we say, the thing wipe important files. Then he write something like, the command helps you clean unnecessary file. If they say AI come out as human being that day, I go shoot on something. You no get how. So my useful files now don't become unnecessary files. Meanwhile, it don't wipe your entire files. If possible, if you don't wipe your operating system, now your destiny na small remain for wipe and follow. How you for take they do? So review every command before you accept it. Might give you a list of words where fit inside command where we say you go need to watch out for. Review where. So especially if the command contain words like delete, drop, remove, reset. You see am? Once you see force, Baba, carry your chest down where do your shirt like this. package well, read down. If you know they say go wear glass, wear 2 glass, wear 3 glass. If possible, carry microscope because you don't know what you want up. So, thirdly, or number 3, stop pasting company secret inside AI. Stop them. Because some of them not even off use your data to train wait. Your data they their server. That secret, so they their server. Some of them, they've even searched something from Google, your data go come out. Story for another day. Because some developers go encounter error like this. Instead of explaining what is going wrong to the AI or copy some parts and maybe put some placeholder for some part of the error, they'll copy everything, give the AI, bam. Including the URL, database URL, server, what do they call them? IP, username, password. Because it didn't say one long error, they're supposed to slap you or lie. You know, say you did one. After the paste and finish, they'll come ask them, why is this not working? You just carry your full company secrets to solve one issue of semicolon. If another person do am outside, how you tell look am? So, like I talk, you use placeholders. For example, see screen. Instead of this kind of thing now, you fit use this next one order. Because AI no need your real password before if he explain your database to you. Abi, doctor need your ATM pin before they treat you. No, that's so it be. So remove financial information, remove authentication details, remove even the tokens. Also remove private documents. See, before you paste anything, give AI, ask yourself, if this thing leak tomorrow, I go fit sleep well. I think it will help you. If you go fit sleep well, paste them. But some of na be sleeping machine. Even though everywhere they born, it go still sleep. Number 4, human beings must approve serious information or serious actions. AI can suggest. AI can draft. There was one program I went to speak at. I be speaking, I be at the English B. I had to tell them that make sure it's not AI that gives you the final work. AI should be the one that gives you the first draft. Then you go package and complete. So, for example, sending money, deleting user account, or changing staff permission, even deploying to production, approving loan, sending bulk emails. AI not supposed to wake up one day and say, based on my analysis, I just refunded everybody. Or more. You go far out to arrest that AI plus open AI plus Claude, everybody where they involve. You go jail them that day. So build human approval into your process, into your workflows. Some of now ways be automation when we build them inside your AI automations. So a human should review it, a human should approve it. Because when problems up like this, no be AI go attend emergency meeting. No. AI no get HR file. You no go fit suspend them without pay. You no go fit. Number 5, restrict the internet, the files, and the commands that AI can use. Your AI agent no need full access to the internet. You no also need to give them access to every files or folders on your laptop. You don't need to allow them run, like I said before, every system commands. If you only need to run inside one project folder, let it remain inside there. Give them access and privilege to only that one. Don't go they give them access to your personal documents, or some of them go even say if na check na say na desktop, you go give them access. They play. No give them access to password files, your SSH files, and keys, your cloud credentials, even your backup folders. No give them access to them. Imagine say you call an electrician to repair socket for sitting room. You call waka go your bedroom, go they touch another thing. IB. Because you know you give them master key to all the rooms, you give them access to only the bed, only the main place where you say may work. So allow only trusted websites. Allow only approved APIs. Block dangerous commands. They write and down, you go forget. Restrict downloads. AI is supposed to work inside fence. Yes. No be say you go they release them inside server. Like say na goat wey they release during festival. You don't supposed to get access to the waka anyhow. Number 6, like I said before, log everything. If AI can make important decisions, then you should make sure it's logging everything it's doing. Or you go they log them, anyone way you want to. This one, we know they talk about them for cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and co. Now, under AI, log everything. You need to log the prompt, write it down. the response. Na another level be this. Oh, you need to log the files where you open, the commands it ran, the records where in change. Also, the person will approve the actions. Because one day, something go spoil. Something must spoil. It happens every day in tech. Everybody go gather. Developer go say na AI. AI no go talk anything because AI no dey meeting. Because without logs, now go just they look each other for eye. Like when criminal, they look police they look criminal. I mean, a suspect and police are suspect. Exactly. Because proper log will help you answer things like what happened, who did what changed, which data they affected. So if AI they operate inside your system, CCTV must follow on. Period. Number 7, create clear AI rules for your company. Your workers need to know which AI tools that they are allowed to use. Because where there is no law, there's no sin. Without policy, anybody go fit do anything or use whatever they want. Our employees, they use approved AI, this thing we will allow them to use. Another staff, they paste customer company details inside one, like ChatGPT outside for chatbot. Some of them go paste them for one chatbot for one AI where they see use this AI blah 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 to win iPhone 12 Pro Max. Yeah, and I wish I talk with that. So create simple rules. Which AI tools, for example, are approved? Which information can is staff permitted to upload? Which information must never enter AI? Who reviews AI generated code or AI generated information or blah blah blah? Can AI generated data go directly to customers? You need to also write rules on how long do you keep logs. What go happen when AI decide to make mistake? Permit me to use that decide. So your policy not supposed to be one long 85 pages document where nobody go read. Oh, make it clear, make it practical. Also, make your staff understand the consequences. Number 8, build a kill switch. You know what that one mean? I don't need to spend time too much on that one. Any serious AI agent must have a way to stop it quickly. You should be able to disable the AI account. You should be able to revoke API keys. You need to even be able to stop it from running task while they run. If you stop am halfway, you need to be able to cancel pending task. So that not be say you go wait until the AI start to do nonsense. You need to know how to kill the thing, stop am entirely. Some of them go ask the same AI, say, how do I stop you when you are running processes? They whine, just they play. So emergency control should exist from day one. Because even generally, every powerful system needs break. Because speed without break, that will not be innovation. No. Now nonsense you they build. So AI no be oracle. AI no be your village people. Most times, treat AI like a very powerful assistant. It is smart. It is as intelligent as you are. It is very fast. And they sleep, but it can also mislead you or even misunderstand instructions. If it expose sensitive data like I talked before, just as if it help you very fast, it can also destroy things very, very fast. So use AI, yes, but use them well. Use them with sense. Restrict them. Anyways, I don't try. Bye.